Yeah, this shorty look bad in a little convict, baggy ass jeans. How the fuck she look this? Shorty bad. She my little convict, my Fetty Wap Queen. She be trapped in my mix. Man, I hate it when these people do the most. Shorty chill, but if she switch up like it's power, I'm a ghost. Gon' start another way, she from the coast. From the coast, from the coast, from the coast, from the coast. Really shorty, she mysterious, she ain't do it for attention. Fuck a message, she ain't even on the gram.
I don't need that.
Had to think about this kush, man, even when she in a rush, she ain't leaving out a crib without a gram.
Yeah, I need that.
Low-key, only way you finna know me. But the mind games, let me for real, cause you ain't low-key. Unlocking styles with the shit that she would show me. Mirror pics, come equipped with new fits and hot emojis. She the type of girl to really make a nigga wanna waffle her. Nah, I ain't catch your feelings, but like, I like her though. Pause and congratulate bees, how I pop them all. She like the way I come in with his heat. Yeah, this shorty look bad in a little convict, baggy ass jeans. How the fuck she look this? Shorty bad. She my little convict, my Fetty Wap Queen. She be trapped in my mix, and I hate it when these people do the most. Shorty chill, but if she switch up like it's power, I'm a ghost. Gon' start another way, she from the coast. From the coast, from the coast, from the coast, from the coast.
From the east side, I run it up. From the east side, pour it in my cup like damn. From the east side, I run it up. From the east side, pour it in my cup like damn.
Like damn. Then it's shorty hella fine though. When she ride that body, she the first pick in my lineup. I can't believe she on my mind now. Ain't on the trip about shorties, but I got her in my rhino. Now, why would I write a song about you? Cause you clean though, and you mean though.
I know.
With some kush, you gon' turn into a fiend though.
Boy, you playing.
Just a habit, you still valid.
That's cute.
Cause you bad, you bad, you bad, and you a little confident. Shit, that's what you got?
Yeah, you know me. Something like. How you feel about it?
I mean, to be honest with you, yeah, you know you look bad.